control bar, or control arms, with clamps on the end instead of jam nuts. Welded a new setup on there to give me a little more adjustment on the bottom end. Made a new chromoly control arm for up top. Got the double adjustables all on now. They're where they're supposed to be. The control arm and the shock hook in the same spot. They're as far outboard as possible. Give you a little more control over the axle for wheel hop and crap like that. And then we went ahead and welded this plate right here on to support the shock on the other side. But it's in. It's not coming back out again. So there's the rear end done. That's a 3-link suspension in a 70 Chevelle. Yeah, this car is coming together. We're putting this one together as we're doing the Comet. Just got the body mounted back onto the frame. Had to do a whole bunch of tranny tunnel work to get that transmission to fit up in there. We lowered the car down about 2.5 inches, 3 inches. And I had to lift the back of the transmission up, get the pinion angle where I wanted it, and so we had to modify the transmission tunnel. It's hard to see, but we got her all done. That fits obviously the cable for the speedo. Just about got this old girl all back together. But that's kind of an update on that old girl. We just about got her done. So there you go on that project. We just about got this one done. There it is, sitting on its feet finally. Got some height work to do on it, but it'll take, and once we get all the weight in the car, that'll be down quite a bit. And I put mounts in for the power steering pump, the electric power steering. Got those all done. Gas tank goes in there, obviously. But there's the tranny tunnel in the rear. We had to raise that up so we could fit that transmission in. A lot of work. We just split the tranny tunnel a little bit, put that strip down the middle, opened it up a little bit, raised it up a little. I put the center section right there in that's taller, and then that rear portion there to attach it all. And the little round pieces you see are for the center console. But floorboards are in perfect shape. We didn't have to do anything on the floorboards except for had to put the roll bar in that hole there so we can get wires up through the roll bar for things we're going to do. There's just enough room to get wires in there. Anyways, that's it. It's getting close.
So suave.